So and getting things done. I'll put these down below. Hello everybody. Good morning. It is Memorial Day. I want to say good morning to you all. Hi everybody. It's Cheri from Cheri's Florida Life. A little bit of my morning routine. I've started some good habits. I like to take some time in the morning and meditate. I've already meditated. But I also like to take some time and read some books in the morning. This is called Getting Things Done by David Allen. This is really good if you like to procrastinate. Little flub up there. If you procrastinate, or it helps you getting things done, more organized. I'm still in the beginning stage, but this is a really good book. Another one I started reading, which I finished, I like to review things over and over, is Atomic Habits. Oh my gosh, this has changed my life. Both of these, but I started reading these first. This is by James Clear. This is Atomic Habit. Atomic is tiny, small 1% changes to your daily life, your habits, if you want to start good habits. I have changed my thought, my thinking. It's just, I don't know, you need to read this book. It's just amazing. And then the workbook I got with it, Work and Journal with Atomic Habits. These have been a lifesaver. I can't say enough about these books. I recommend Atomic Habits and Getting Things Done. I'll put these down below so you can see what they are. But yeah, I like to spend some half an hour or so in the morning before I get my day started by reading and meditating. I read another book also, which is Pleasure Book, and I'm not going to talk about that right now. But what are your plans for the day? Are you having a great one? Are you having friends over? Are you celebrating with your family? What are you doing today? Today I'll have a day of chores around the house. It's my husband and I today. My son is out in Minnesota visiting his friends. Okay, now it is time for breakfast. My husband made me breakfast. Eggs, ham, and a bagel. Eggs are so good. What are you having for breakfast today? Let me know down below. What is your favorite go-to breakfast? So I made my to-do list. Along with reading the book Atomic Habits, I've been starting to make to-do lists. So here is, you can see that some of my to-do lists here. One of them is a couple things today. We're going to mow the lawn, trim the weeds in the backyard, do some laundry, do some other cleaning around the house. I can check off meditate. I got that one done. Yeah, so what are you doing today, like I asked? Let me know. I'm curious. We're going to finish eating. We have to also pick up some groceries from Walmart pickup. That'll be next. Now we are on our way to get groceries from Walmart pickup. want to show you what we got from Walmart. Nothing spectacular. And a few things that we needed. Body wash. This is really good body wash, moisturizing. It's really dry down here in Florida. The winter months. Almond milk. Unsweetened vanilla flavored almond milk. This stuff is really good. And I'm on an apple binge. I've eaten a lot of apples. I have a few apples left, so I wanted to replace them with ambrosia apples. These are really good. They're not sweet, they're not tart. Shampoo, vitamins, elderberry, D-cell shampoo. This is good for buildup on your scalp. Dry skin. Chicken patties. Romaine. And ham lunch meat. The romaine is for our guinea pigs. They like romaine. There was one of our guinea pigs, Sheldon. Hi, Sheldon. So I love as you can see him, he's eating. He's a short-haired guinea pig. And there is Fluffy. He's looking at us. Hi, Fluff. He says, nope, not doing it. One of my husband's jobs, or chores for today, is clean the car. He likes to keep our Tesla clean. We push for once a week to clean the car. He does most of it. Every once in a while, I will help him. And I am done with the backyard. It is hot. It is, I think, 75 degrees. I mowed the lawn and I weeded. I'm hot. Time for a swim and get some water. Time to get in our pool. Hey everybody. It was so hot mowing the lawn. I had to come for a swim. It feels so good. It was so cold when I got in. Do you have a pool? Give me a comment below. So I showed you my indoor office space. Now this is my outdoor office space. I sit here quite a bit and I read. Here's an umbrella. I sit next to the pool. All right, it's been like an hour or so later. After swimming, I took a shower. I had something to eat. I had some lunch. My husband made me lunch again. He's so good. He's so good to me. I am sitting back to rest. I have my feet up. I'm going to read some more of my book, Getting Things Done. I am on chapter 3, Getting Projects Creatively Underway, the 5 phases of project planning. Continuing with our chores, we're doing laundry. Got the dryer going. I like our washer. It's got auto sensing. It doesn't really waste water. It fills up only what is needed. And laundry is complete. Yay, all put away. So how many of you have clothes hanging up? We have clothes hanging up and in our dresser. We got stuff up here. Then we each have a dresser slash nightstand. Yeah, mine's a little messy over there. That's mine. This is my desk area. This is my office space. I'm not sure the cameras that I got. See these cameras? I found them at an antique store. That's my GoPro. Cameras, case. That's a light that I have. Old camera. And storage. Tripod. This is my office space. I cleaned it up recently. It looks really good. It's not overcrowded. There's my chair. Nothing special. It's just a table, kitchen table chair. We are going to clean out the cage today, the guinea pig cage. There is Sheldon. Over here is Fluffy. This is how it looks, how they sleep. They usually sleep up in these lofts. In the daytime they sleep down in these, and they make a hideout over here. Haven't gotten that far yet. They had some hay, fresh hay, and they had their morning vegetables. Good morning, Sheldon. Sheldon. You say good morning? Huh? He's a pretty scared one. Here's Fluffy eating. Good morning, Fluffy. Good morning. Let me say hi. Good morning. It is now Tuesday. It's a new day. Today, for breakfast, we are having oatmeal with almond breeze milk. Another part of what I wanted to do today, again, it's Tuesday. Today, I'm also taking some time to edit my video, hopefully to be released today, Tuesday. Part 3 of my Tesla video. Hopefully you'll see that one too. Cheri's for a life. Okay, friends, I need some help. See all this stuff in here? Build up? What do you all use for your shower junk? The build up is just, it's horrible. I mean, how many times we clean it, it just keeps coming back. If you have any ideas or something I use that's more natural, please let me know. I'd rather use all natural. Some made at home or whatever it might be, baking soda. Please share your tips. I would appreciate that. Now I have to clean my shower. Let's get this done. It's gross. All right, look at the big difference. The corner is cocky, that needs to be redone. That's why that's so bad, but looks a lot better, doesn't it? I think so. Use this brush and cleaning supplies. And I wear a mask for the stinking odors, and I wear gloves. Protect my hands. Rowan. Rowan. Ah, I love you. Aw, thanks. Another chore on my list is to clean out the guinea pig cage. We do spot clean quite a bit, every day, at least twice a day. But they do need a weekly cleaning of their cage. They're underneath the blanket you're sleeping. Let's go over and look. They're in there sleeping. And now the guinea pig cage is all clean. Hi, Sheldon. Hi, Sheldon. He's hungry. That's all clean. Everything's all clean. Took a while to clean it because I had to do their bedding, clean some stuff up, wash and dry it. Here's Fluffy sleeping. He says, "What are you doing looking at me? I'm trying to sleep." Good night, Fluffy. Well, that's going to wrap up this video, everybody. I hope you really enjoyed the video. And Fluffy's purring in the back. I don't know if you can hear him. Let's see if I can get a clip. He's purring. Hi, Fluff. Fluffy. Of course, when I put the camera on him, he's not going to purr. Well, everybody, now we have a clean guinea pig cage. Everything is all clean. And that's going to wrap up this video. Hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Be sure and subscribe for more videos. I have more ideas coming up. Please subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel to 1,000 subscribers. My first goal is 100. Please subscribe. Leave me a comment below. Do you have guinea pigs? Do you have bathroom cleaning ideas? I'm looking for a home remedy. Less chemicals, the better. They're really strong on their bed in general, so less chemicals, the better. Actually, no chemicals, please. I need something to clean with. No chemicals. You get it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Cheri from Chore's Florida Life, signing off. Ta-ta for now. Again, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.